Hello, this is Robert Robles, attorney for U.S. LawShield in Oklahoma, and I would like to talk to you about storing your firearms after hunting season. It is now the time of the year where hunting season's winding down, and what do you do and how do you safely store your firearms so that you don't get in trouble if there are either children in your home or if they're perhaps either a convicted felon or someone on probation for a felony who happens to be a member of your household. First off, storing your firearms, if you don't have either children or felons living in your home, there's no specific manner or requirement on how you store your firearm. You can store them loaded, unloaded, or anywhere, any way you wish in your home. However, if there are children present in your home, you must make sure to not recklessly allow your handguns, your firearms, your deer rifles to fall into the hands of children who might either hurt themselves or others, but the law says that you're not allowed to give these firearms to children. Same thing, rule applies with either convicted felons or people on probation for a felony. The standard is a little different. It is not recklessly providing them firearms. It is selling, transferring, or giving firearms to a known felon. If you have a member of your household who is a felon or on probation for a felony, you must not either give them or make the firearms available to them in a way which would be the same as giving them firearms. Now then, if you store your firearms, they should be stored where either a child nor a convicted felon could have access to your firearms. And a good way to do that is by putting them in a gun safe or in a locked container with a key that you are the only person who has access to the key or the combination. The lock should securely protect the firearms. Now then, you might ask yourself, what good is a firearm to me if I need the firearm? I have to unlock it. Well, that is a dilemma, and that arises when you have children in the house or children coming into your house, visitors who are children, or perhaps visitors who are either juvenile delinquents or convicted felons or people on probation for felonies. Thank you very much.